I just bought this vacuum from KLARPUL and today I unboxed it, got it set up and used it. So I'm going to show you my full experience and give you my thoughts on this cordless vacuum. So I typically don't like to show too much of the unboxing, but there's some things that really impressed me and may impress you too. This one displays nicely with instruction manuals right on top, everything encased in styrofoam, comes with 3 years of a warranty in total. Quick start guide makes it really easy to get going with. They did a good job with that. As well as a full instruction manual, which doesn't usually impress me, but this is a very detailed, professionally laid out instruction manual. Very clean diagrams. They answer all your questions about this vacuum. It looks really good. Then I found out about the telescoping handle. Really nice, so you can customize the height of your vacuum. Goes together nice and quick, and it's really lightweight. What I like about the roller brush is that it's wide open, so if anything ever got stuck, you could easily clear it. And without even checking out the instructions, it's really intuitive, and I figured out how to get the actual roller brush out. So when you inevitably get a ton of hair stuck around it, it shouldn't be too bad to clear off. Comes with some nice supporting wheels with rubber on the outside, and just look how much this thing swivels. Main body and dust cup are really nice. Power button location just makes sense. I love the purple accented buttons so that you can find exactly what you're looking for. It's got a washable filter with silicone on the outside, seems nice in quality. And the dust cup opens up completely so you can empty it out, clean it out. Lots of little filters, so there's going to be quite a few things to clean. But it should really help to protect the life of the motor. And even after inserting the battery pack, I gotta say, this vacuum's pretty lightweight, especially down at the bottom of the vacuum. And my wife and I are ecstatic that it actually vacuums one of these washable rugs. So many vacuums can't do it. They'll just pick it up or the suction will completely stop. So my Shark can't even do it. And I think this is why. Easy to turn on. You can see your battery percentage there. And it's got a low, medium, and high mode. Says you get 65 minutes on low, 30 minutes on medium, and 16 minutes on high mode. And one thing I gotta say is it runs really quietly on mode 1 and 2. As soon as I started using it, I did notice that the roller brush does wiggle a little bit, and I think it's just because it's so lightweight. It makes it really easy to maneuver, but in some cases, almost too easy. It's like learning how to drive a different car. But definitely maneuverable, definitely easy to get it under tight spaces. And the LEDs on the front are nice and bright and let you see what you're picking up. So I'm just gonna quickly vacuum up this whole area and show you everything that's picked up in this one room, and that's it. But being lightweight makes it really easy, didn't get tired out at all, and I love that you can customize the length of this vacuum. I just now learned that this stands up on its own, but I didn't know that yesterday. The dust cup isn't overly large, and I see that now with just how much I picked up already. So much dust. And my cleaners were here 2 weeks ago, and we barely use this area of the house. Battery, really easy to remove. It's got a charging light, about a 2-hour charge time. Next step will be hooking up the mount another day. Love the wall mount. Looks like it's got room for the accessories as well. And this just seems like a really well put together cordless vacuum. The telescoping feature is nice. Love the customization. Instructions and everything just seem really well put together. I'll update you soon, but I'm really happy with this so far.